Hello everyone. In this video I want to show you how to go from Kerala, from Kottayam to Guwahati. So I'll show you how to go, and right now I'm waiting for my train to come. So I'll show you the platform screen. So you'll see the platform screen. This is the platform screen. 22503 is the train that I'm going to board, and as you see from here, so my coach is in B1. This is B1. So I'll be going to the platform where my train will be coming. And with this big trolley. Okay, see you there in Meghalaya. This is my train, it has arrived. I'm waiting here in platform 1, number 5. One day traveling from Kerala. Now I'm reaching in Andhra Pradesh. Just look at this beautiful scenery. Early in the morning, around 7 o'clock. You want to see some hijras? They are here, they are coming. They will get into our train. Here, I'll show you. This just behind me, they are the one. Look how they are going to go inside our train and do their job. That's it. They work nicely, look. Here in Odisha here, and these are two behind me. Look. They are there are many here in Odisha or in Bengal, but in the place like Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, very less. You cannot see much like this kind of people. LGBTQhd. I see you. Hi. So I'm happy reaching in Guwahati. It was delaying too much. Actually, we're supposed to reach by 9 o'clock in the morning, but we reached in the afternoon. It is around 2:15, so it's a bit too late, a bit late for us, but we are happy. We are happy reaching home, and by night we will be reaching home. Okay, see you home.